This is how to change the color and look of your candles on TradingView. Now we see here we have normal looking candles, green on the way up, red on down days, normal looking wicks, and normal looking borders. We right click on the canvas, go to settings, symbol, and here we are. Now if we remove the body toggle, you see now the candles do not have a body, it becomes white. If we remove borders, then they lose the borders as well. They don't look good, right? So put body back. And if we remove the wick, the candles automatically lose their wick. Now let's change their color a bit to see what they look like. Body, let's make it a bit more light green, and the red, just for illustration purposes, let's make it purple. Let's make the borders as they were, and let's remove the wick. Let's press OK. Now here you see you can fully change how the candles look. Let's go back. Command Z takes you exactly where you were. This is how you can change the look and color of your candles on TradingView.